Hey guys, welcome back to my 365 AI tool challenge, and today we are checking out Uizard AI. And honestly, this might be one of the easiest AI design tool for beginners because you can literally describe an app, upload a sketch, generate screen, and create prototypes without being a designer. So let's see how it works. So first go to your browser and search uizard.io and then sign up for free. And here you can sign up with Google or Microsoft. I'm gonna sign up with Google. After you log in, you can see this interface, and here you can start from blank project or generate with a auto designer, or start from screenshot, or start from template. So if you choose a blank project, you have to do everything from start. So I'm going to choose generate with the auto designer, and now you can choose different device. I'm going to select desktop and describe your project in plain English. So I'm going to ask create a fitness app with a tracking, dark mode, progress chart, and meal planner, and continue. Now you have to generate a style. So here you can upload your screenshot or URL, a prompt. I'm going to choose prompt. So here I describe the style. So modern startup style, same like Apple Fitness app, and I selected dark, modern, techy, young, and elegant. And now click generate my project. Now you can see we have all the screen: onboarding, home, calendar, profile, setting, welcome, dashboard, activity, progress. And now you can zoom in to see better, or you can just click on preview. Here you can see the design look perfect. You can even edit the design. You just need to click on design icon, or you can even select the screen and start editing, and you can edit everything. And now if you are happy with the design and finish everything, you can share with other. You just click on the share icon, or you can even export it. So that's all for Uizard AI, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.